Hey Geek, so if you're from a place like the United States, green usually means go. And what I mean by that is you're at a stoplight or an intersection. Whenever you see green, that means go. But in Southeast Asia, green does not mean go. So what do I mean by that? Well, in general, in Southeast Asia, just because a light is green or red doesn't mean people are gonna stop or keep going. Because in Southeast Asia, most of the traffic just goes however they can. And so the best analogy that I could use is water. Water flows through all types of things. Sometimes it can be calm, sometimes it can be really violent. And the thing is, you kind of have to go with the flow of the water, in this case, the flow of traffic. And until you've actually done this yourself, it's really hard to understand. But if I had to simplify it, just kind of follow where the traffic is going. So if you're at a stoplight and the light is red, but people are still going, just follow them. Even though technically you are breaking the law, you are not. And if anything, if you don't follow them, you might be the one getting a ticket or getting blamed. And worse yet, if you get into an accident, it might be your fault, even though you are following the rules and following the laws. And for me, I just generally look in every direction, if it's green, if it's red, and then I just look at the flow of traffic and then I go. But it's really important for you to just do that, follow the flow of traffic, make sure before you cross, because here in Southeast Asia, things can happen and it can happen really quickly. And if you're not following the flow of traffic, it could cause you some real serious danger or harm. And so those are my thoughts today on how green doesn't mean go and red doesn't mean stop. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other places that you've enjoyed visiting in Southeast Asia or other places around the world, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my travel videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below or on the video up here.